Many companies are faced with the daunting task of converting old legacy data, 2D drawings, to 3D. VX handles that with ease. Here we have a DWG drawing, simply laying the cross sections into space, creating revolution, extrude, joining them together, and now we have a fully featured 3D solid model. Kind of interesting, we're going to take that 3D model that we just created into our layout, drafting, and detailing module, integrated within VX, and we're going to do an aligned section. First, lay out the top view. It's fast and easy. Now, here comes the aligned section. So, zooming up. When I did this, I used a mouse wheel to make it easy to zoom in. We're going to take a section curve view right through the middle of the part, as you see here, through the middle of that hole, pick it up, put it off onto one side, and you know what? Those arrows are too long, facing the wrong direction, so I move them over, flip them, complete control. And there I have the solid 2 wireframe story.